Hi, I am Renuka, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science. Today I am going to handle the paper Big Data Analytics. First, let me see what is Big Data Analytics. So before going to the Big Data Analytics, first let me know what is Big Data Analytics. So first, what is big? So the meaning of big is nothing but the data is known as the big. So data is nothing but it's an informations which we are knowing as all the records and informations which we are going to analyze. So that is known as the analytics. So by using the huge data analytics, there is huge informations. This informations which we are going to analyze is known as the big data analytics. So why we have to go for the big data analytics? So for the analysis, so how we are going to make an analysis? So how we are going to make an analysis, why we need to make an analysis means to take a report. Why have to use this report means to make a perfect updations of the development of the business. So for that one example is Walmart. Walmart is nothing but it's a huge it's a department in the USA. In this they are having thousands of consumers, that is customers, which they are developed with this the big data analytics. Okay, so this analysis they are used to develop the business. How they are developing means by getting the analysis report and they getting the feedback from the customer. This data is useful for to develop their business analytics. Okay, so this is another one example, and another example we can use it as a Facebook. Nowadays we are using a huge informations which we are storing in the data. So that is the Facebook. Okay, so Facebook is nothing but in that Facebook we are having social media, we are having huge number of customers, huge number of photos, huge number of informations, each and everything we are storing. So wherever we need it, we can able to retrieve that information by year wise or the day wise also we can able to retrieve. How they can able to do means by using the analysis. This analysis nothing but they are going to use certain tools. So how they are going to use these tools means to develop these tools. By these tools they are making the analysis report. Okay, so that is the major thing of the big data analytics. Now let me go one by one. This is the example which I already discussed about the Walmart. It's a 1 million, and next is we are discussed about the Facebook. So why we are using this data means by identifying the analysis report for the development. Not only for the development, we can easily get the report. For the earlier days the report is very time it will take to get the report. For example, if I want to get the analysis report means it used to take hour or per day or month it used to take, but nowadays by using these tools within a time, within a seconds we can able to get the report. For example, million seconds reports or whatever we needed we can able to retrieve it. Okay, and next we are moving for the characteristics of the big data analytics. In this characteristics we having 3 V's. Okay, so first what is 3 V's? So first one is the volume, velocity and variety. So first we can see about the volume. So volume is nothing but it used to store huge data with a gigabytes and terabytes and petabytes. So nowadays we are moved to the TB level and next we are moving to the petabyte. So petabyte is nothing but huge data which we can able to store. So why we have to store this much data? To retrieve the informations we can analyze any day at any time on any hour we can able to retrieve the information. So this is the volume of data. This volume of data used to store many informations with the gigabytes and the terabytes and the petabytes. Okay, and this information is used to develop many informations by using this volume. Next we are going to see about the velocity. So velocity is nothing but the speed of the data which within a day how we are going to retrieve the informations. So that's why we know we storing in a gigabyte and methods, and this this velocity is used to get the within a seconds or within a milliseconds we can able to get the reports. So that's known as the velocity informations. In this velocity we can able to see the data how we are going to store the informations. So the velocity, the speed which within a second or within an hour also we can able to retrieve the information. For example, in hospitalized we are using this velocity because if I am a patient, if I am as a old patient already I am in the hospitalized means within a second I can able to retrieve the information particular patients. So that is also we can able to use in this analysis report. Next we are moving to the variety. So variety is nothing but it used to design the informations with the structured and unstructured manner. So structured and unstructured manner means how we are going to store the data, how we are going to use the data. So how we are making a design, that is known as the variety. So variety is nothing but by using this variety informations only we are going to design, we are going to create a structure. By using this only I am going to collect the informations with the milliseconds or billion informations I can able to retrieve. This is known as the variety of informations. So this big data analytics we are going to use majorly by using the software is the Hadoop software. So this software is usually supporting by using the Linux. Why we are moving for the Linux means this is a security OS. So security OS which we are going to support for the Hadoop. So if I am going to use this tools means the software have to support with the 1 terabyte. That's why we are moving to the Linux. Okay. So Linux is operating system, easily we can able to update the informations by using the tools. I can able to retrieve the informations. That's why we are using this Linux. Thank you.